Welcome to Edinburgh. I'm Robert and I'll be your guide on this tour. This tour lasts approximately 2 hours and takes you around my city's magnificent old town. This short video will answer 4 questions which you might have about this walking tour. Will I get to see much of Edinburgh? Absolutely. I'll take you on a twisty windy route around some of the most interesting parts of the old town. The tour starts under the shadows of Greyfriars Kirk. We go to the historic Grassmarket, the West Bow, the Royal Mile, into side streets many people completely miss. We'll see St Giles, we'll go down an atmospheric Old Town Close, and, if it's open to us, we'll visit a beautiful old town location with a very dark past. Apart from seeing Edinburgh today, what else does this tour do? Well, there's an old saying that a picture tells 1,000 words, and throughout this tour you'll see images that reveal how Edinburgh once looked. So you'll experience 2 towns, Edinburgh today and Edinburgh in the past. You'll see parts of Edinburgh they haven't been seen for hundreds of years. Now I can't get you into a time machine, but I can take your imagination for a wander around the old town. Is this a boring dates and names lecture? This tour is based around the stories of some of the most interesting people in Edinburgh and Scotland's history. This isn't a tour about dates, it's a story about the old town's people and their lives and their deaths. And you'll hear their stories at the very places where significant things happened for them. So when you hear about the hanging of Deacon William Brodie, you'll be standing just next to the site of the execution platform on which he was hanged. Is this tour any good? Well, Edinburgh's my hometown, so I've got a responsibility both to you and to my city. And I'm very fortunate that my guests have really responded well to this tour. This tour's got a very high rating. We've got an average of 5 stars, and we've won certificates of excellence in 2017 and 2018, and actually in 2019 we had an even higher rating. I'd like to think that your time in Edinburgh is safe with me.